Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find your Facebook friends on Instagram. Let's get started. First, we open up your Instagram app, and at the top right corner of our homepage, select the heart icon. And then in this page, just scroll down until you reach the bottom and click See All Suggestions. And then just skip this part. At the topmost part, you'll see that your Facebook is not yet connected. So just click connect beside that and work on connecting your Instagram to your Facebook account. Now that your Facebook account is connected to your Instagram, you will see your Facebook friends in this Discover People page. So just scroll down through this list to find your Facebook friends. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!